Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I'm back here with another sneaker unboxing video for you all. Now this pair is really special because it's the classic and the OG and everyone loves this pair. You will get to know why after seeing them. So let's get started. So I got the Jordans right here with me. Let's unbox them and let's see what they look like. Now this is the pair that I was telling you about. Let me put the box aside. These are the OG, the classics Air Jordan 1 Low in the red, white and black colorway. I mean, how cool is this pair? Because you can literally wear it with any outfit. They look so amazing and so classy. I mean, if you look at them from any angle, I mean, any angle, they are so amazing. You can wear it with any outfit, any clothes, in casual, or even in, office meetings because it will just increase your standard. And yeah, the quality of the shoe is really premium. Nike has specially specified in the product details that the high end quality and materials are used to make this shoe, and you can literally see that yes, high quality material is used because the leather is feels so premium after you touch it. And from every angle, the favorite part I love about this pair is this, the Air Jordan 1 branding at the back of the shoe. It looks so cool because it is not just printed on it, it's stitched, literally stitched. Each and every, you know, ring is stitched. And as you can see, there is a little bit of padding on the tongue, which makes the shoe more comfortable. And in the inside of the sole, they are not much padded, but yeah, there is a little bit of cushioning which can help you feel the comfort of the shoe. And other than that, it's a great pair. You can never go wrong with this. And this just came on the Nike app, and I couldn't resist myself to buy this pair because, oh yeah, oh yeah, every sneakerhead knows what sniffing a shoe means. Ah, I just love this pair. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.